I'll show you how to download the Saudi Arabia app on your smartphone, formerly known as Saudi Arabian Airlines, on your smartphone. Saudia is the flag carrier of Saudi Arabia. And whether you are a frequent flyer or planning your next trip, having the Saudia app on your phone is very handy to manage your travels. So let's dive in. First of all, make sure you're connected to the internet. Find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Once you're in the store, you'll see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type Saudia. You'll see the Saudia app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here, I see the Saudia app developed by Saudi Arabian Airlines. This is the official one. You can also check for its logo. Tap on it, and on the app page, you'll find an install button if you're using an Android, or get for iPhone. Tap on it to start downloading the app. Once it's done, the app will automatically get installed and appear on your device. This is the homepage of Saudia app. From here, you can log in if you already have an account, or not. You can sign up for a new one by clicking Join Al-Fursan or Continue as a guest. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded the Saudia Airlines app. Take some time to explore its features. By logging in, you can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.